Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. I'm a videographer, photographer, and YouTuber. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the differences between the Rode Wireless Go 2 and the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro, and which one you should ultimately buy. They're both around £280, and on the surface it seems like quite a hard decision. A few months ago I made a video comparing the original Rode Wireless Go to the Blink 500 Pro, and for me, the Blink 500 Pro smashed the Rode Wireless Go out of the water, but last month Rode came out with a brand new Wireless Go system with some awesome new features. Let's see if Rode can reclaim their title for the best small, cheap, 2.4 GHz wireless microphone system. This is not a sponsored video and all of the thoughts in it are my own. Let's start by taking a look at some of the similarities between the two systems. Firstly, they both come with two transmitters and one receiver. The receivers both have a built-in condenser microphone and a 3.5mm jack plug for plugging in a lapel microphone. Both microphones can record in single track audio or stereo audio. They can both record directly into a camera, into a smartphone or a tablet. They both have belt clips which double as hot shoe mounts, but in my opinion, that's kind of where the similarities end. Size-wise, the Rode Wireless Go wins. It's the same size as the original, which can fit perfectly anywhere you'd like to place it. The Blink 500 Pro isn't big, but it is bigger than the Rode. Let's take a look at some of the benefits that the Saramonic has over the Rode. I love, there are actually 5 loves in my script, the fact that you get a charging case with the Blink 500 Pro. It comes as standard and works automatically. All you need to do to charge up your system is put it away. That's brilliant. Once the case finally does die, all you need to do is plug it in via a single USB-C cable on the back. Talking of things that you get with the Saramonic which you don't get with the Rode, lavalier microphones. This is such a big bugbear with me. If you're gonna sell a microphone system which has the facility to take a lavalier microphone, then why not include it? I've tested a few Saramonic mics in the past and they've all come with lav mics. The Rode Wireless Go 2 doesn't. Okay, onto the Rode Wireless Go 2, and wow, Rode have really set the bar high here. Firstly, the Rode has the facility to record on the transmitters as a backup. It can record up to 40 hours in compressed mode and 7 hours in uncompressed 32-bit float. The Blink 500 Pro has no such feature. For me, this is enough to make me switch. I've been in so many situations over the years where I've lost transmission from the receiver of the microphone that I'm currently using, and I've lost the audio. I always place a backup microphone on the Talent just in case, but that is now a thing of the past. Neither system have a very intuitive menu system, but I think the Rode wins with this as well, just due to its simplicity. I do find myself getting frustrated when trying to change the gain on the Blink 500 Pro. Another feature which would make me switch immediately is the range, and this is a big one. Saramonic advertised the Blink 500 Pro to have a 100-meter range. I call bullshit. If you're lucky, you're going to get 50 meters out of it, and if line of sight is broken even under that 50 meters, then you're going to have serious problems. The Rode Wireless Go 2 advertises a 200-meter range, and in my range test it actually achieved 300 meters range with a clear line of sight, and I have to say, since I switched from the original Rode Wireless Go, I've had many more dropouts. My bad. Lastly, the Rode Central app is lovely. You can see that Rode have really taken their time developing an app which helps the user with both operation and monitoring. You can configure exactly how you want your microphones to work within this easy to use app. Let's go on to the audio test. Hey Chris, you said in your last video that the Saramonic was better than the Rode. Does this still stand? Hey Chris, that's an interesting question, and I think you already know what I'm gonna say. That may be the case, but tell me anyway. Okay, with the list of features that Rode has added, I'd say they'd retaken their crown as the king of small 2.4 GHz wireless microphone systems. Okay, I'm just going to interrupt myself for a second here. As I'm sat here editing this video, the Saramonic microphone does sound clearer to me. The audio coming out of both of these systems is unedited. There's no EQ, there's no compression, and straight out of camera, I think the Saramonic does sound better. Back to price. I think Rode purposefully priced the Rode Wireless Go 2 at a similar price to the Blink 500 Pro just to smash them out the water. And to be honest, I think they've done just that. So for the time being, I'm going to be switching to the Rode Wireless Go 2 for all of my recording needs. And if you're in the market for a small wireless microphone system, then I would suggest you do too. I hope you've enjoyed this short comparison. If you have, then give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And if you're new here, then why not head over to my new Facebook group? There's a link in the video description. You can ask me questions, request videos, and just become part of the community. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again really soon.